sad to think that I was not going to be here at the basketball forecast, and I wouldn't hear very Veronica with having to do all the work. So
look at you. You're a great walker. Crash. Turn around. Okay. All right.
Notre Dame is in Maryland, taking on Navy in Annapolis at the Naval Academy Stadium, Navy Red Force Stadium, sunshine, a noon kickoff.
Yay! Show Grandma how you clap. Say, yay! Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Good job. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Sunshine for the noon kickoff, 65 degrees with a light wind out of the southwest. The University of Richmond, the Spiders, taking on the Tennessee Tigers. In Richmond today, sunshine, 71 degrees today. And Syracuse and West Virginia in Morgantown for a noon kickoff. Partly cloudy skies, 64 degrees with a light south wind. I'll be back in the second half of the show with the other most important picks of the day. Those are coming up in a few minutes. Back to you.
Most important to check. We should clarify that. All right, now we know one of the teams that will
Hi, Buttercup.
World Series. Dan Helly has highlights from a historic game in Texas.
Okay. That was good. Say bye-bye. Oh, good. That little stand all by yourself. Say, yay, look, I can stand without holding on to anything.
Come on. Come over and see your daddy.
Vladimir Guerrero. What a big hit this was. Doubles in 2 runs to spark a 4 for Texas.
Who taught you that? All right. Bye-bye, Grandma. Love you. Bye, Grandpa. Love you.